same component into multiple assemblies and mating it in the same way. To streamline this process, we can use what's called mate references. We'd like to insert this assembly here so that the bottom face is always mating to a floor. We go to the Reference Geometry dropdown and select Mate Reference. In the Mate Reference tool, all we have to do is select a face to use for our mate reference, which will be this bottom face. Then we specify the type of mate we'd like to make, coincident, and we'd like this to always be anti-aligned, so we specify that. When we're done, we click OK and save this assembly. See that the mate reference folder has been added to the assembly, which contains this mate reference feature. We can test this out now by opening up another assembly and inserting this component. As I mouse around, you can see that it's trying to find a coincident mate, and when I place it, it creates that mate for me automatically.